Morning, everyone. Welcome to CivilPrep. I am Krishna Gupta. So, are you able to view this whiteboard? Jyoti Rajan,
Hello, sir. Good morning.
good morning.
Yes, sir. I'm able to see this whiteboard, sir.
The whiteboard is missing.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay. So, B2 Win and B4 Nation.
yes, sir.
What is the name? And Sujit is here. Okay. So, we have two participants. So, how are you guys? How are you doing?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Sujit Gupta. How are you? I'm audible. I think Sujit, you are moving this whiteboard here. Just give me a minute. I'll do some settings change. Okay. Sujit, can you edit it now? Okay, are you able to edit it now? No, right? Actually, I have not used this platform quite a lot of time, and I'm doing it after a lot of time here. So I think there are certain settings which I needed to change. Okay, not an issue. So guys, welcome to our platform, that is uh, case study at the rate 1000. Okay, so friends, I think you might have joined uh, this channel by a link. You can unmute and you can reply me right now. It's not an issue. You can unmute and you can reply. Okay, Sujit.
Yes, hello, sir.
Yeah, Sujit.
Yes, sir. At now I'm able to see. I'm able to hear, sir. I think there was some network issue. That's
Okay. Okay. So Rajan, am I audible? Well, Rajan, am I audible? Well, Rajan, you can speak. Try to speak. You can also, if you are not able to speak, you can write on chat also. Both the options we have. We can speak here or we can chat here also. So this is one of the way which I found quite useful right now. Actually, I have ordered a camera, so camera will be coming in 1 or 2 days. So after that, we will be starting our. After that we'll be starting our interactive classes with my face also, so we can see each other's also. Now, the program which I was talking very curiously about, it is case study at the rate 1000. Okay, so we will be discussing 1000 cases for this part here. So they will be we how many of you are hi, we have another member here. Hiya Fazil. Hi, hiya. So I will be asking you that how is the geography or optional preparation? Like you are doing static, you are doing current affairs, you are doing case studies, you are doing model theories perspective. Are you writing answers? So I want to get your experience first. I want to know you first. Uh, Hello, Rajan. So with this experience, we will be able to understand each other better, and we will be able to do a lot of work regarding it. Okay, so which area we need to focus more on, so we can decide those and we can work on those part. Okay, so let's have a few minutes interactive session, starting with anyone can volunteer first. You can unmute and you can speak here. Hello, hiya. You can unmute and you can speak about your experiences, like you did your foundation course, you didn't, are you appearing for this year mains, or you are preparing for next year, that is 26 mains. Okay, so I want to have a basic information about this. You can unmute and you can speak, guys. You think your
hello.
sound is
Yes, sir.
going?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir. This is Sujit.
I'm able to listen to Sujit. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Sir,
okay,
at now, just I'm focusing on the static portion, sir. As this year, this year I have appeared in prelims,
okay,
and yes, sir. So that is the current situation, and earlier
okay.
I have yes, sir. Earlier I have focused on static portion only, and not it's beyond static. And sir, I have done my graduation in geography background also. So
Okay. So I want to ask one thing here.
yes, sir.
I want to
Yes,
ask
sir.
one that how is your preparation with respect to geography optional?
सर नट मच मतलब मतलब मैंने खुद से ही सर जितना पॉसिबल हो सका है तो
Hmm.
मैंने स्टैटिक पोर्शंस अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस मैंने कवर किया सर और मैंने अपने नोट्स वगैरह खुद के प्रिपेयर किए हैं बाकी सर मैंने कब आंसर राइटिंग्स वगैरह पहले नहीं किया मैंने कभी ऑप्शनल का अ, बस
This was first.
मतलब जैसे यस सर यस सर दिस वाज फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट
Okay. Okay, not an issue. Uh, so you're self-preparing. You did not do any foundation classes. Have you seen any videos on Telegram or any videos on YouTube from where you
सर
have tried to understand the syllabus or topics?
No, sir, I have completed with the help of some videos and some portions from myself also.
Okay, videos on yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Sujit, I've understood your condition. What about Priti? Yeah, Priti is saying she is preparing for next year. Priti, you can unmute and you can speak.
Hello, sir.
Priti.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Priti. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have given this year prelims,
Okay.
but I didn't qualify CSAT.
Okay.
Sir, I'm preparing for the next year.
Okay. You're preparing for next year. Okay. Not an.
Yes, sir.
So, tell me your background. That what was your education part? Did you do
Sir, I have done my graduation from BCom.
from BCom? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, uh, have you started studying geography optional?
Yes, sir. I have covered a little bit of syllabus, but I have not completed it.
You have not completed.
Sir, I have not. So my paper 2 is left, and I have done paper 1.
Okay. Paper one is completed, but paper two is yet to be completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not an issue. So, what about answer writing and what about forming case studies and moving with the contemporary things?
So answer writing I have done before the prelims.
Okay.
But the case studies I just read and didn't consolidated it.
Okay. Not yet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not an issue. Okay. So, Priti, we will speak about it because I can see that you have a similar kind of situation like Sujit. So, let's move ahead. Haya, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good.
Okay. So, tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am an engineer. So I have given UPSC this year,
Okay.
uh, and I'm hoping that I would clear. Like I'm waiting for the results as of now. So the thing is about geography foundation part I have done from another institute before, so I have my notes with me, but I have not really practiced answer writing as such. Only like few of them I have did, and right now I'm like revising my notes, and I would like to add on the case study part. I have not really, I have picked it up from here and there. I need to compile it and practice it along with my answer writing. So I have not, I need to go full fledged on the optional preparations.
Okay, so I have also been part of your coaching institute. So can you tell me the name of the institute where you have completed a foundation from?
Actually, I did my foundation, the actual classes from I Learn IAS One Coaching Institute from Kerala, and I have
Okay,
also joined in GS Core for the answer writing part. So
okay,
I have only completed few tests from there. So few are pending because of my prelims preparation. I was doing my prelims preparation parallelly, so the
okay.
test event.
We have spoken a lot of times
Yes, right,
on
right, sir.
mentorship part also. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Now I remember that I have checked your copies also. You were, I think, you were in the uh, mains 2024 program, right?
I think it was optional, sir. Like
Yeah,
optional.
optional 2024 program.
Right,
Means
sir.
test series. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I remember because I still have your copies right now. Uh,
Okay, sir.
yeah, I have your copies, so not an issue. So I will go through them and I can see that what things were there because I have seen that you were writing good answers, whatever I remember. And
Okay, sir.
I would have given certain comments on those parts because at January end only I have left GS School. So guys, I want to give you one
Okay.
information that I was optional faculty, full-fledged means I was teaching alone. I was taking test series full-fledged alone. I was also taking a Q&A program full-fledged alone. I was also taking several other GS programs at GS Code before this. Now, before that, I have also worked at Guidance IS. So Guidance IS is also one of the premier institute at that time. Now there is certain issues, but it's okay. It is doing well. So now I have also worked with other institutes and other part. Okay, my UPSC journey have been quite 7 8 years back. I have completed things. Means things have just gone right there. Now I am coming back here with this platform to ensure that my students and you we can work together for better performance in geography optional because I have seen that a lot of teachers they do mentorship, they do provide good questions, good answers, but they miss on two parts. What I have seen here, first thing that is providing the case studies of the recent times, and second thing providing a very brief perspective, models, theories, laws, which can be applied very aptly to certain situations, certain conditions. So if they provide, they may provide one or two, but we have a full fledged of the cases, the models, theories, perspectives, and laws, where we can work very comprehensively and we can choose. That is the best thing I will be teaching you, that you can choose that which model, which theory, which law, which perspective you have to choose and which you can leave here. So that will be like one of the thing that you will be enjoying in these sessions. Okay. So in this case study part, I have put some case study on free resources. So how many you have gone through the free resources part? You can unmute and you can answer or you can message. Okay, am I audible? Okay, hey, is saying I have checked the last year paper put up on the website. I've gone through those case studies. Pritish saying, okay, good. So, with regard to case study, actually, those were certain case studies that I have compiled for my students for 2024. Okay, whom I was mentoring at certain point. So I have to give them certain cases. So I have compiled them. So, how did you find the format of the case studies? Like there was a topic, there was a context, there was an analysis, and there were certain models, theories, laws, and perspectives. Okay, so you can suffice with them. So it was not a very full-fledged, but it was kind of a overview which we can get. Nazla, I went through the climatology part. I didn't get how to place those. I haven't began geography optional answer writing probably due to that. Okay. So Nazla has a very good point here. Uh, Nazla, I think Nazla, you are guy or you are a girl? You can unmute and you can. Okay, girl. Okay, I'm sorry to raise this question because I was speaking to a few students where I was confused with the name. So I'm really sorry with that part. But okay, let's continue. So you have not begun geography optional answer writing. Have you completed your geography optional foundation, or you have? Sir, I'm at my reading room. We can't speak. Okay, not an issue. You can write here. So you began your optional. Have you completed a foundation, or you are completing it by yourself, or you are pretty much completed? Okay, by yourself or by any coaching institute? Okay, coaching. At Delhi or out of Delhi? Okay, Kerala. Okay, we have a few students from Kerala. Is my English good to for you all guys to understand? If you have any problem, then you can say me because I am from Maharashtra. I am from Nagpur, so I have certain part of Marathi that comes when I speak. So if you find any words confusing, you can just tell me, okay? Because there were certain students from Tamil Nadu and Kerala who were finding my certain English words not very much, we can say, fluent at that part. Okay, let's move forward. So in the case study part, what you might have seen that there is certain laws, there is certain perspective, there is certain models. Okay, if I will talk about, as you have said here, the climatology part, that how we can apply them. So that is a very good part, that how it is needed to be applied. Okay, I'll just take out one of the cases from climatology part, then we can discuss over it in a very brief manner. हाँ पर okay, so I can see here that I have one of the cases which I have put up here. Mm, okay, I'm taking the first part here, the temperature and the pressure belt. Now, what the case is saying here, now what the case is saying here, the temperature and pressure belts, they are shifting of subtropical high and monsoon variability. So when I talk about the earth here, so I can understand a few things. We have a low pressure system. At 30 degree, we have two high pressure system. Then again, we have a low pressure system at 60 degrees. Then at 90 degrees, we have high pressure system. Okay, so this is 0, 30, 60, this is 90. 0, 30, 60, 90. Now, in this situation, what we are able to see that we have a few things like I can see here that there is a general shifting of the high pressure belt and the low pressure belt throughout the year because of the movement of the sun. Okay, so we know about this, that there is a general shifting of the ITCZ, there is general shifting of low pressure system, high pressure system, which is also seen in the solstice, which is also seen during the time period of we can say the equinoxes. Okay, so there is high pressure which is shifting at both the time here. Now what is happening because of this condition? There is movement of, for example, this is the region of Africa. Okay, and this is equator. Now we have a high pressure system here, and we have another high pressure system here, which is almost around 30 degrees at both the latitudes. Now during the summer season, the sun is almost at this part, so this is normal area. Now what I will say here, that during the summer season there is movement of the high pressure system towards upper part, and during the winter season there is again movement of this, yeah, there is again movement of this high pressure system towards southern part here. Okay, so this is the apparent movement of the sun here. Now what is happening in this part? Because of the movement of this thing, the ITCZ, it is also moving. Okay, this is normal, this is summer, and this is winter. Now when we talk about the pressure belts, it is influencing a lot of things. For example, number one, uh, it is influencing the wind pattern, it is influencing the temperature system or temperature belt, it is also influencing the pressure system. Okay, in this part. Now when I am trying to connect this with this part, I can see here that, coming to the first diagram again, we have first Hadley cell, then we have parallel cell, and then we have polar cell in this part. Okay, so when we see here that there is shifting of the subtropical high pressure belts, okay, it is having a very high variability. For example, in the India part here, okay, it is having very high variability on the countries like India, which is having a very unique kind of wind reversal system, which is monsoon. Now, when I talk about the wind pattern system, we have Hadley cell, we have parallel cell, and polar cell. Majorly, this trimeridional circulation pattern, it was provided by Parallel. Okay, Parallel has given it. Okay, Hadley has also provided certain parts of uh, the Hadley cell. Okay, which was majorly based on the uh, the heating of the equatorial and tropical region. Okay, so here we can see that Parallel has given the dynamic concept here. Okay, so Parallel also included certain things. For example, number one, the jet streams. Okay, he has included jet streams in his studies. He has also included the part of we can say the Tibetan plateau, which was also confirmed by Monet's experiment. Okay, number three here will be saying that it is also taking into the consideration of ITCZ. Okay, that is intertropical convergence zone, which we are seeing in this parts also. Now, when we look at all these things, we see here that because monsoon is also impacting India here, there is apparent movement of the sun, there is apparent movement of ITCZ, and there is shifting of this pressure belt systems also. For example, the low pressure system and also the high pressure system. Okay, it is also moving throughout the year towards the northern hemisphere and also the southern hemisphere in this part. Now, when we try to see these cases, we understand a few things here. For example, number one thing, because of the shifting of these because of the shifting of these patterns, okay, this temperature and pressure conditions, number one, we are able to see one thing, that there is change in cyclone conditions or cyclone formation conditions. Okay. Number two, here will be saying that we have change in cyclogenesis. Okay, it is almost more or less quite same here. We can also see here that we have changes in frequency of cyclone numbers. Number four, we can also see that currently the cyclones, they are getting more intensified. Okay, so why this is happening? It is happening because of two reasons here. Number one reason, because of the pattern of this condition where we have the presence of low pressure system during the summer season in the northern hemisphere. And secondly, we will see here that there is movement of the low pressure system to high pressure system in the Indian Ocean region, in this Indian Ocean region, in this part, after the monsoonal season. So because of all these things, we will see that we have a condition where we are able to understand the monsoonal conditions, the jet stream conditions. We are also able to understand the pressure belt conditions, the temperature belt conditions. Now, when we look at one thing here, which is quite important, that is climate change, which has been done by the human beings. Now, in this part, I think you might be knowing this or you might not be knowing this. This is Hadley cell, this is Ferrel cell, and this is polar cell. At these 2 points here, we have two jet streams. This is polar jet stream, and this is subtropical westerly jet stream. Okay, so here we will be able to understand this in a quite better manner, that because of the increase in temperature of the earth, and it is very high in the almost 45-degree latitude to 45-degree latitude in both the hemisphere. So because of this increase in temperature in this region, we will see a phenomena. In this phenomena, we will see one thing, that the Hadley cell, it is expanding, the polar cell, it is shifting, and the Ferrel cell, it is also shrinking. So this cell, it is expanding, Ferrel cell, it is shrinking, polar cell, it is also shrinking. Now, this thing, it is confirmed by Copernicus. Okay, so it is expanding. This is confirmed by Copernicus satellite data, which was given by European Union. It was also confirmed by the study of UNEP. It was also confirmed by the study of IPCC 6 assessment report. Okay, it is also confirmed by UNDP, sorry, UNCCD. Okay, all of them have confirmed that the expansion of Hadley cell, the shrinking of parallel polar cell here. Okay, so what we understand from this case that the movement of the latitudinal part which is taking place here, okay, which is happening because of the anthropogenic regions, that is climate change. This shifting is taking place almost by 2 degrees in both northern southern hemisphere. Okay, so because of this, what we are saying that the monsoonal rainfall, it is getting affected, and it is, we can say that almost it is influencing 8% of rainfall every year. Now, this year you might have seen that the monsoon has highly varied, means the pre-monsoon showers, it was very high. We might have seen this in the reports also. Okay, so here we see that because of the very high pre-monsoon shower, there is hindrances in the development of the low pressure system. Okay, low pressure system which is developing in the Tibetan plateau. Now, because of this, the movement of wind which used to take place, there is shifting of wind. There is seasonal wind. This monsoon wind is a seasonal wind. Okay, complete reversal of the wind is taking place. So here, what we see that this Tibetan plateau, it is not getting very highly heated, and the low pressure system is not getting developed. This have a very high impact on the development of monsoon in India. That how this monsoon will develop in this particular year. This situation, it will bring two conditions. Number one, there will be extreme drought conditions, and number two, there will be extreme, we can say, the flood conditions in the country. Okay, so we'll be taking them also in certain cases. Okay, so this data we will see here that this major data, it is taken from the Indian Ocean region and also from the Pacific Ocean region. When we look at the temperature of the world, okay, in the average manner, by the year of when this 2025 was starting, 1.48 degrees Celsius of temperature has already risen from the pre-industrial levels. Okay, this is given by IPCC. This is also given by UNEP. Okay, so we can take these examples. We can take this numbers and we can quote them in our answer writing. Okay, so this is one of the case which we see here, which is related to the temperature and pressure belt of the world and how they are changing, how they are getting influenced. Okay, so in this manner we can apply these cases. Now, when we talk about the questions where we can apply this case, the question part, when we see here that we will take this into consideration. Number one, when we talk about the atmospheric circulation, okay, when we talk about, we can also take here the wind system, Number three, we can also take here the monsoon. We can take pressure belt. We can also take here climate change. So under the climate change, when the question specifically asks what are the factors which are resulting into the climate change, so we can add this part here. Okay, so these are the specific questions where we can add this part. Number six, there is also one important part here, that is environmental, we can say management. That how the environment is getting degraded, how the environment is getting, we can say change, or environmental change is taking place. So we can see this part in the environmental change also. So in this way, we are able to take one case and we can apply it on the various spheres, which helps us in understanding various concept about the climatology, the various concept about the atmospheric circulation, the wind pattern. Okay, so in this way, we will be able to apply this part in a better way. Any doubts, any questions you have, you can ask right now. You can unmute and you can ask. Haya, have you, Nazla, have you understand this part, that how we can apply this uh, cases in answer writing? Okay, clear? Good. Okay, very good. So what we will do here, we will be starting this program. So this was one of the part which I have taken, so that we will be understanding the essence of case study in a very simple manner, that how the things are moving and how we need to capture the contemporary aspect, contemporary examples, and how we can apply it with the help of the models, theories, laws here. Okay, so here in this part, as we have seen, the models and theories, it was majorly with respect to majorly the case study should be at the end. Not at the end, but when you are completing your analysis. Okay, when you are giving your analysis, so you need to suffice that analysis with a case. So it should be not that that analysis is just on the air, but it has certain groundwork. So it should be provided with analysis should be provided with certain ground reality. So reality is what we are trying to check. The UPSC is trying to check the reality with the cases. That what is reality? That yes, something is happening. It is happening because of certain things, because of certain issues, certain problems. So we need to specify those things, and we need to make a clear picture, a clear reality, that yes, this is happening and this is happening because of these reasons. And it is not my words, it is certain reports of government or reports of international organizations or certain magazines. Not magazines will be specifying, but will be specifying certain sources, and we will be giving showing them a reality, that this is the picture which is taking place on ground, and these are the concepts which are explaining those realities. Okay, so this will be the main part where the case study is being studied for, because they in the reality, in the real picture, they show a reality part, and it makes things more clear. Okay. Okay. Okay, so in any case, in any doubt, what we will do here, I have two programs here. The people, the students who are preparing for mains 2025. Okay, so I have compiled 1000 case studies for them. So whatever we will do here, we will be discussing daily 10 case studies, almost 10 to 20 case studies. Okay, and I will be also providing a PDF format. The case study will be taken from more than 10 to 12 sources. So it will help you to understand your and develop your perspective. It will also help you to uh, develop your answer writing. It will also give you more examples, more datas, which can be included in the mains part. Now, number two, if you are preparing for next year, that is 2026. So I have two things here. You can subscribe this. It is a very minimal amount for which it is on the monthly basis also, and it is on the yearly basis also, where I will be taking cases from almost 15 sources. Okay, same sources, but these case studies, they are different. Okay, the case study for Mains 2025, it is taken from last 1.5 years, and the case studies which will be taken up for next year. So it will be taken from magazines, from various sources, PIBs. So from there you can access the case studies, and those will be the new case studies. They will be fresh and they can be used in the answer writing. Okay, so you can go to the website. Okay, the link for the website I will share it again. You can see about the courses. Okay, the charge is not very high. So if you like it, I will be setting up all the things within 1 or 2 days. So we'll be having classes, lectures in the similar format. I will be making certain more changes, certain more upgradations here. Okay, so in any doubt, if you have any doubt, you have any questions, you can either unmute and ask, or you can message me here. Riti, Rajan, Sujit, Nazla, Haya, you can ask your queries or doubts. Sir, will recording be available? Yes, the recording will be available. Now, one more thing I want to specify you that the recordings will be available, and more than recordings, I will be available with you. So I will make sure that during the evening time from almost 5 to 7, I will be available for either group mentorship, or for I will be also available for one-to-one mentorship. So for both the part, I will be present here, and I will be helping you in writing your answer. In case if you are writing answer at 12 or 1, you can message me. If I am not asleep, then I will definitely help you. I will give you reply and I will answer your queries. Okay, so that will be one promise that will be done by me and from my side. Okay, so I have a team here also. They are working along with me. So guys, uh, anything else that I can help you with? The recordings will be available in the similar format, and for this, the PDFs will also be provided. The PDFs will be provided. There will be certain tests will be also there. Okay, so you can go through that part. In case you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me. Okay, so guys, today I will be leaving a bit early because I need to go somewhere. Okay, so there is another class at 1. There we will be discussing mentor case. That will be live answer writing session. So we will be having a demo class today, so we can write answer on those parts. Okay, guys. So see you. I will be providing the link for that particular part in a few minutes. So see you soon. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Okay, so this is sign out from Krishna Gupta, Civil Prep here. Thank you very much. All the best. Okay, just comment on the group that how did you find the session. If you find it good, you can comment certain part that you find it good, like that. Okay, so guys, thank you. Take care.